sisters. So with that being fulfilled, I am grateful and I will be happy to break my fast. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh and the KDA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and I'm grateful to them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So then, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Just sit down with me.
And Nitan, you have always been right.